Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be bringing you guys something a little bit different rather than a pregnancy video. Obviously this will be a speed cleaning video. So today I am going to be cleaning 3 parts of our apartment, just the kitchen, living room, and the entryway area. So as you guys can see, we do have a dishwasher, and why am I hand washing all these dishes, you may ask? Well, our dishwasher does not honestly do the best work, so I end up having to just hand wash these, and honestly I do not mind. Our island honestly gets really messy after a weekend, just because usually we are out shopping, or usually after we grill we just set things on the island and it kind of gets piled up. So usually on Mondays that is one of our messiest areas of the house, but I honestly don't mind cleaning it. Well, usually my cat sits on top of the couch, but lately she's been laying in this area right here and it's getting pretty hairy, so I just took a couple minutes to vacuum up all of the hair buildup. I know you guys all have this chair that everything gets stacked up onto. Well, this recliner is that chair for us. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my speed cleaning video, and I hope to be bringing out more, like a more variety of videos. So if you guys have any suggestions on any videos you would like to see, then just leave them commented down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.